Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 31st of October 2023. The Indian benchmark indices snapped two-day gaining momentum and ended lower in a volatile session on October 31st, with Nifty below 19,100 amid selling across the sectors, barring realty. At close, the Sensex was down 237.72 points, or 0.37% at 63,874.93, and the Nifty was down 61.30 points, or 0.32% at 19,079.60. Biggest loser on the Nifty were M&M, Sun Pharma, and ICA Motors, while gainers included SBI Life Insurance, Titan Company, HDFC Life, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Asian Paints. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of JAGRAN PRAKASHAN, that houses popular newspaper brands like Dainik Jagran and Midday, tumbled 5% on October 31st, after the company's profit declined 17% on year to 41 rupees crore in the July-September quarter of fiscal year 2023-24. In the past 3 months, the stock of JAGRAN PRAKASHAN has declined 6% as against 4% drop in benchmark Sensex. JAGRAN PRAKASHAN's consolidated operating revenues rose by 1% on year to 458 rupees crore in Quarter 2 financial year 2024, as compared to 454 rupees crore in Quarter 2 financial year 2023, driven by digital and advertising revenues. Shares of PIDILITE Industries surged 6.3%, to the day's high of 2,450 rupees on October 31st after global brokerage firm Goldman Sachs upgraded the stock to buy from sell earlier, sharing a target price of 2,725 rupees per share. In the past 1 week, the stock of this adhesive manufacturer has gained 4% as against 1% decline in the Sensex. Shares of DCX Systems zoomed 7% to 304 rupees on October 31st, after the company's net profit for the September quarter of this fiscal more than doubled to 20 rupees crore. The S&P BSE Sensex was flat at 64,085 levels, as of 9:50 am. So far on October 31st, around 1.5 million equity shares changed hands on both BSE and NSE, as against 1 month average of 0.4 million equity shares. In the past 6 months, the stock of this wire and cable manufacturer surged 46% as against 4% rise in the Sensex benchmark. DCX Systems revenue climbed 77% on year to 309 rupees crore in Quarter 2 financial year 2024 as against 173 rupees crore a year ago, driven by successful execution of order book. Shares of Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare jumped nearly 5% on October 31st as the FMCG company reported a 36% jump in profit to 211 rupees crore for quarter ended September financial year 2024. P&G's jump in profit was led by acceleration of volume growth coupled with product price mix and productivity. Revenue from operations increased by 9% year-on-year to 1,138 rupees crore, driven by a superior retail execution and integrated growth strategy. Shares of PSP Projects gained 5% on October 31st after the company bagged multiple work orders. The company received the addition of scope of work for the construction of chocolate plant, Phase 3, for a multinational company in Asain and Ahmedabad, with the revised order value worth 266.56 rupees crore from earlier 200 rupees crore in institutional category. The project is to be completed within 19 months. The company received order for construction of commercial complex Viz. OVD_14 commercial tower in Gift City, Ahmedabad, worth 57.33 rupees crore from Ozone Vishwanath developers in institutional category. This project is to be completed within 22 months. Cambridge Technology Enterprises Limited in daily time frame is trading around 73.90 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.06 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 64.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.37. AG Universal Limited in daily time frame is trading around 96.45 points with a change of 19.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 40,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 73.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.29. Apollo Microsystems Limited in daily time frame is trading around 91.40 points with a change of 19.95% and is trading with a net volume of around 26.335 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 76.05, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.70. For the stock recommendation we have, HDFC Life looks good and can be bought at 619, keeping a stop loss of 605 rupees and a target of 633. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.